Hey, if you're watching this, maybe you're checking out the Wishup affiliate program, and I'm going to review it to see whether this is a cool way for you to start earning some money, right? You can earn up to $1,000 by referring someone directly to Wishup if somebody actually hires a virtual assistant from them, which is really, really cool, right? So let's check it all out. So Wishup is a platform that allows you to basically hire virtual assistants to complete any type of job that you have, all right? So it doesn't matter if you're a doctor, you're a real estate agent, you're a startup founder, maybe you're an e-commerce brand, maybe you're a marketer like myself, maybe you're an entrepreneur, or maybe you're just an individual who needs some extra help, right? These virtual assistants can do all sorts of different tasks for you, everything from, and you'll see right here, from managing your emails to scheduling your calendars to building CRMs to doing social media to doing executive assistance to doing personal assisting like booking your travels, your accommodations, running errands, running appointments, all sorts of different things, including admin and booking. Okay, so if you were to come in here and hire a virtual assistant directly from Wishup, it basically costs $999 per month to hire that virtual assistant. That's 4 hours per day. That's a Kickstarter plan. And the growth plan is 8 hours a day, right? That's $1,799. So that's if you're a client coming to Wishup to basically hire a trained virtual assistant, which is really, really cool, right? But as an affiliate, what you could do is you could come to wishup.co/affiliate-marketing-program, and you can sign up to become an affiliate. And all an affiliate is when you refer somebody else's services. And if somebody buys through your link, you get paid a commission. And in this case, Wishup has one of the highest paying affiliate programs out there, which is really, really cool, okay? So $1,000 per successful virtual assistant that is being taken up by a company. They have 100% support. There's a 90-day cookie window. That means that when somebody clicks on your affiliate link, you have 90 days, which is quite long, honestly, because a lot of cookie windows are only 30 days, right? You have 90 days from when somebody signs up after they click on your link, and it will still be, you will still be the referrer, and you will get the commissions, which is pretty cool. After 90 days, it resets, and then somebody else, if they have a Wishup affiliate link, can promote to the same person that you did. All right, that's kind of how it works. So it's a really, really cool affiliate program, I think, and anybody can start and do this, which is really awesome. All right, so if you are in the make money space, if you're in maybe you're a marketer, maybe you've got a following, right? Maybe you have an email list and you work with business owners, okay? Because this is kind of like a B2B marketing thing, right? What you could do is you could just come to Wishup, go to the affiliate section, and you can sign up right here, all right? Become an affiliate, grab your link, and help Wishup to promote their their program right here. The only thing though is that unfortunately, if you are a beginner, let's just say you're watching this video because you heard of Wishup and you heard that you can make quite a bit of money from the affiliate program. If you have no following, if you are not a creator, if you don't have a big list of entrepreneurs, for example, or business owners, it's going to be pretty hard to promote this because you don't have anyone to promote it to. So I would say that the Wishup affiliate program is great, but it's more for people that already have a following, all right? People that are marketers, people that have small business owners following them, stuff like that. Then it's easy because you can just kind of tie this into your email marketing, into your TikTok channel, your YouTube channel, if you have an audience of business owners that are following you, and you can say, hey, if you need a VA, right, you can hire it from this company because they're really high quality, okay, and then you'll get a cut. But if you're a beginner and you're starting from scratch, then it's very difficult for you to promote it. So just understand that it's a great affiliate program, but it just depends on who you are right now, okay? So if you want to check it out, just go to affiliates.wishup.co and you can sign up for their really high paying affiliate program. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate income. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, on this channel I review all sorts of different ways to make money online, all sorts of affiliate programs, all sorts of business models, apps, websites, things like that. And I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $10,000 to $20,000 a month 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my masterclass that documents the process on exactly how I was able to do that. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this review of Wishup's affiliate program, and take care. All the best.